Hello student, welcome to Standard 10 History. Let us continue the 6th chapter, Entertainment and History, Part 6. In the previous lecture, we have studied Tamasha and Povada. Now we are going to learn Marathi theatre. Theatre is a place devoted to performances, either solo or collective, of performing arts. Participation of the artist as well as the audience is essential for successful performance. The theatre comprises several factors such as script, director, artist, makeup, costume, stage, art design, that is backdrop of the stage, lighting arrangement, audience, and cities and critics. Dance and music can also be part of a drama. A drama is usually enacted with the help of dialogues. However, mime can also be used as the medium of expression. The rulers of the Bhosle family of Tanjore were great patronage of drama. Some of them had written a few plays and also translated Sanskrit plays. The 19th century saw a great development of the Marathi theatre. Vishnudas Bhave is known as the father of the Marathi theatre. You will be asked question fill in the blanks. Who is known as the father of Marathi theatre? So the answer is Vishnudas Bhave. The movement started by Vishnudas Bhave was followed in Maharashtra by historical, mythological, and also light farcical stage plays. Farcical means humorous. The farcical plays dealt with social issues in a humorous way. Initially, no written script were used. Often only the lyrics were written down, but the dialogues used to be spontaneous. V.J. Kirtane was the first author who wrote the script of Thorle Madhavrao Peshwe in 1861, and its printed copies was made available. This was the beginning of the tradition of having a complete written script ready before staging a play. So now play started getting shaped with the script earlier, and then the same script has to be depicted. In the later half of the 19th century, Balkrishna Bua Ichalkaranjikar made special efforts to introduce classical Khyal music in Maharashtra. After him, Ustad Alladiya Khan, Ustad Abdul Karim Khan, and Ustad Rahimat Khan contributed in a great way. Their efforts helped in developing a taste for classical music among the audience in Maharashtra. The Growing popularity of classical music resulted in the origin of musical Marathi theatre. The musical play of Kirloskar Mandali became very popular. Sangeet Shakuntal, written by Annasaheb Kirloskar, earned a great popularity. Another musical play, that is Sharda, written by Govind Ballal Deval, is quite important as it comments in a humorous style on the evil custom of marrying young girls to aged men. Also, plays such as Mukh Nayak, written by Shripad Krishna Kolatkar, Sangeet Manapman, written by the Krishnaji Prabhakar Khadilkar. Sangeet Manapman was written by Krishnaji Prabhakar Khadilkar, and Ekas Pyala, written by Ram Ganesh Garkari, are important in the history of Marathi theatre. Khadilkar wrote Kichak Vad, a metaphorical drama to denounce the British government. It was based on certain events in the Mahabharata. Draupadi represented helpless Mother India, while Yudhishthira represented the moderate and Bhima the extremist. Moderate and extremist were the two groups in the existing Congress, Indian National Congress. Kichaka represented the insolent Viceroy Lord Curzon. The audience used to perceive the characters in this fashion and feel enraged about the imperialistic attitude of the British government. Imperialistic attitude means to spread one's kingdom in the other nation and establish one's rule. So people is to get enraged, is to get wild, is to get angry with such type of government, that is British government. The popular play written by Acharya Atre like Sashtang Namaskar, Udyacha Sansar and Gharabaher, etc. help the Marathi theatre to sustain through a temporary decline. So at that time Marathi theatre was almost on the decline, but these were the plays which kept the tradition on. The recent plays based on historical themes like Raigadala Jemha Jag Yete and Ithe Oshalla Mrityu by Vasant Kanetkar, Ghanshiram Kotwal by Vijay Tendulkar, Tilak Ani Agarkar by Vishram Bedekar became very popular. The Marathi stage continued to get enriched because of its varied subjects and type of the plays. Marathi stage artists of the bygone era like Ganpatrao Joshi, Narayanrao Rajhamsa, more popularly known as Bal Gandharva, Keshavrao Bhosle, Chintamanrao Kolatkar and Ganpatrao Bodas are still remembered as great actors. The early Marathi plays were staged on open ground. The British first built closed theatre like Playhouse, Ripon and Victoria in Mumbai. So these three were the closed theatre. Thereafter, the show of Marathi plays gradually took to closed theatre. So then afterwards, it started staging the shows in a closed theatre or on the closed hall on the stage. Do you know the renowned author poet Vishnu Vaman Shirvadkar, also known as Kusumagraj, wrote Nata Samrat, a play style after Shakespeare's well-known play King Lear. It became very popular. Ganpatrao Belvalkar, the tragic protagonist of Nata Samrat, represents a blend of two well-known personalities of early Marathi stage, Ganpatrao Joshi and Nana Saheb Phatak. So in this way, Kusumagraj written the play Nata Samrat, a very famous play of Marathi. In this way, my dear student, we have seen the background, the history of Marathi theatre, how it was started, how it was staged up without the dialogue, and spontaneously it was played with the music, and the dialogue was spontaneous. Then so many people used to act in it. Then the written form of dialogue came up with the Thorle Madhavrao Peshwe in 1861 by V.J. Kirtane, and since then the written form of plays started in Marathi. It became very popular. After some time it was on the decline, but Acharya Atre wrote famous plays, and then the tradition was kept on. Then also the historical plays like Raigadala Jema Jagete and Ite Ushala Mrutyu by Vasant Kanetkar, Ghanshiram Kotwal by Vijan Tendulkar, Tilak Anirgarkar by Vishram Bedekar kept this play tradition on, and thus Marathi play reached to the height with the play of Vishnu Vaman Shirvadkar, that is Nata Samrat. So this was the height of Marathi play, and there are quite many Marathi plays was staged, and it became very famous, and the tradition is still kept on. So my dear student, now tomorrow or in the next lecture we are going to study the Indian film industry, cinema. We are going to see how in the initial stages cinema was there, started, and then how it got developed. Till then, goodbye and have a nice time.